Pull it. Just pull it.
Night number 2, and she goes for the biggest present in the whole bunch.
Pull the bottom, pull the top one off, Ellie. Just pull it off completely. Here, pull it. Pull the whole box. Pull. There you go. Okay.
There we go.
Oh my goodness, what is it? Oh, it's a paper. Oh, geez, let's not light it on fire at the table.
It's a paper dispenser. It must go with something
All right.
else. Ellie, leave this wrapper on it. Please.
Open this, Ellie, and see what goes with it.
See what goes with it.
Alright, open this. Yeah, so funny.
And up in flames. Careful, that's gonna fall off the table.
Stop. Oh, stop it. Oh! Oh!
An artist apron to wear.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
What's in here?
Whoa. 60 markers.
That's the
That's
biggest
the
marker
biggest.
set I've ever seen.
Me too.
Woo!
Wow.
Wow!
What do you say to Nana and Papa?
Thank you. Thank you.